Yeah, guys, my screen visible?
No, sir.
Okay. So guys,
Yes, sir. Visible.
tell me what is collection framework? Why we need to go for that collection framework? And what is the advantage for that collection framework?
Uh, Sir, in collection framework, we provide so many interfaces like set list and classes like ArrayList, vector, linked list. And, collection framework had
I'm
extend
not
and
asking that
adapt your
hierarchy,
collection
guys.
easily.
I'm not asking hierarchy. You are saying to that hierarchy. Why we need to go for that collection? Very simple question. We have a see guys, collection framework is nothing but if we want to store that a group of object as in a single entity, then we can this is called as a what guys, collection. So when we are going to, we have a already data types is there, arrays is there, right guys? Why we should go for to that collection framework? That is my question, guys.
We store
Multiple?
multiple values.
Yes. What multiple values? Homogeneous or heterogeneous values?
Heterogeneous values. We can
Yeah,
Heterogeneous.
assign it collection value.
yeah. So what is collection is nothing but the process of creating a class, and it can be hold group of object as a single entity is called what guys, collection, right? So why we should go to that collection framework is means, so there is a what guys, storing the data, yes or no? Guys, actually
Yes,
there is
sir.
a, we have a storing the data, there is a multiple concept is there guys, that is that data types concept is there, arrays concept is there, right guys? Classes is there, sir, no guys? Even though some drawbacks is there, what are the drawback is there guys? If we go to that data types, what are the drawback is there guys? Why should go to that arrays?
So actually in array we can store same data type value, but we cannot store like integer string, so
Yes.
that we can go for the collection.
Okay.
Collection we can store multiple value like string, boolean value, integer.
Okay. Okay. See guys, collection means data type can be stored only one value at a time. If we want to store as
Yes.
a 1 to 100 variable, 100 element, at that moment we need to create a 100 variable. So and it will be take to that time. So guys, and we need to 100 variable take that time, and it will be created that memory inside that where guys, inside that heap area. So at that moment that where memory also wasted. So if we want to avoid this kind of this kind of problem, then we can go for what guys, arrays concept. So arrays, what it will be do, how many numbers I need to store, how many elements I need to store. If for example, if I want to store to 1 to 100 100 elements, at that moment I need to go for what guys, arrays concept. So inside that arrays, what we have to do, we can create what array, and we need to give that array size guys. That array size, when I'm going to given that array size as a 100, at that moment it is possible to store as a what guys, 100 element. But 100 element it is possible to store in a singular object. But here also some what guys, disadvantages is there. What are the disadvantages is there? Means if we want to store not only 100, I want to store what guys, 110 elements I need to store, but my array size is that only what guys, 100 only. At that moment it is not able to store, it's not able to store what guys, what are the array size we are given, if that cross that array size is not able to store, right guys? So that is that one of the disadvantage, that is that one of the drawback inside that arrays. And see here guys, if we want to store, if we want to decided that the array size, and if we want to store that different types of values, means if we give, if we creating that array as a int, if we create that int array, and if we are trying to add what guys, others data like string data, float data, double data, is it possible to store that this data inside that arrays guys, int array?
No, sir.
No, that is that one of the drawback is there guys. And is in that what guys, that array, inside that array, that data can be stored based on what guys, based on that index position. And when I'm going to given, when I'm going to creating that arrays guys, see here I'm going to given that array size as a 100, I'm given that 100 size guys arrays, and I'm storing that only 50 element guys. Remaining that 50 element, 50 memory is that waste, right? When I'm going to creating
Yes,
that
sir.
array size. So that is also one of the drawback inside that arrays. So if we want to resolve this all this data type related issues and what guys, arrays related issues, then we can go for what guys, collection framework.
Understood.
So guys, tell me, what are the collection framework hierarchy is there? What are the collection framework hierarchy guys? Can you tell me? Yeah, go ahead guys.
Sir, iterable
Okay.
iterable subclass is collection. Then collection is divided into three parts: list, queue, and set.
Yes.
List is divided into four types: array list, linked list, vector, and stack. And the set divided into two types: hash set and link. And also set divided two types of class: sorted and preset.
Guys, this is that not classes guys. Sorted set is a interface, right? So that yeah, set is that interface, and there is a child interface is there guys. There is a child interface is there, that is that sorted set. From that sorted set there is a implementation class is there, that is tree set guys, right? You should be aware this one, right? ArrayList having the four implementation class, and set having to that three implementation class, right? ArrayList is that interface for implementation class is nothing but ArrayList, linked list, vector, and stack. And coming into that word guys, coming into that set, there is a three implementation classes there, that is has set, linked has set, and a tree set. So guys, we already discussed this part, and guys, we will go for that what
Sir,
is,
no need to explain queue.
sorry,
Sir, no need to explain in queue.
no, it is not required for that project perspective guys.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so in real time scenario
sir.
also we are not able to use what, we are not able to use what guys, queue,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Right guys, so what we have to do here, there is a three four implementation class inside that list, we will discuss one by one guys, right? So how we can create that array list, this is that implementation class guys, array list, linked list, vector, and stack. So this is that implementation class for which interface guys, which interface implementation class is?
List,
List
list
interface,
interface.
you should be aware it, this is a list interface. And what are the
Yes.
implementation class inside that set guys, set interface?
Uh,
Set interface, what are the implementation classes?
Sir, hash set and linked list.
Linked in linked has set guys, that
Linked hash set. Yes.
if people are not reading, you are not
Sorted set.
started set what implementation class, that
Implementation.
No.
hey guys, why you people are confusion here? This is that word guys, see here, collection framework. First of all, what guys? There is a iterable is that interface, right? And that iterable interface, there is a child interface is there, guys. That is collection, right? Collection is that child interface. What guys? Iterable interface. And that collection interface again divided into how many types, guys?
Three types.
Three types. It is
List,
divided
queue,
into
set.
yeah, it is divided into three types. That is list, queue, and set, guys. Right? You should be remember
Yes,
this
sir.
hierarchy. Right? This is the third time I'm going to explaining to you people. And see here, guys. List interface is there, queue interface is there, and set interface is there. Right, guys? So that there is a list interface. What, guys? There is a implementation classes is there. That is link array list. This is that implementation class, guys. How it is going to say that implementation class? I will explain with you practically, you guys. But you should be remember there is we can call as a it is that implementation class for what is list interface. Okay, array list, linked list, vector, and stack, guys. This is that four implementation class for list interface, right? And guys, we are not able to discussing here to that queue interface, right, guys? So go to that word, guys, set interface. Set also one of the interface, guys. This is extended from where? Set interface extended from where, guys? Which interface? Collection, guys. Here list also interface, queue also interface, set also interface. So guys, when we are going to extending from that collection to collection, then which keyword we can use here, guys? Extends keyword we should be used because of collection to interface to interface is that extend keyword, and class to class is that extend keyword, and interface to class is that word, guys, implement keyword, and what, guys, class to interface, and interface to class is that word, guys, implements keyword. You are already completed that part into that word, guys, interface concept, right?
Yes, sir.
If you are not
Yes.
getting that concept, you can go to that video and you can see, guys. Okay, when we can
Yes,
use
sir.
to that implement keyword, when we can use to that extend keyword, you should be go and check, guys, right? So there is a set interface is there. Set interface again there is a implementation classes, guys. You should be remember classes is different and interface is different, guys. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
yeah, so that every interface here is that set interface can contain that has a set is that implementation class, and linked has set is that implementation class, and what, guys, tree set is that implementation class. But is this is the tree set is implementation class, but it is not a direct implementation class for that set. It is a implementation class for that what, guys, sorted set interface. Guys, this is the hierarchy you people are getting or not, first of all?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So guys, you can take a pen and paper and you can draw, guys. When you have to that time, then you can draw that diagram. Otherwise, you people not able to what, guys, remember this diagram, right?
Yes,
You
sir.
should be
Yes.
practice. You should be what, guys? Multiple times you should be what, pronounce and as well as draw a diagram. Then you people can remember it. There is no shortcut to remember everything, guys. You can do like this only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, guys, tell me. We can go for that what, guys, array list. What is array list? This is that implementation class for what, guys? We can go for one by one implementation class, guys. First of all, I need to go for that list interface, and there is implementation class is there, guys. We will complete this one. After that we can go for that set implementation classes. Okay,
Yes, sir.
yeah. See here, guys, how we can create that what, array list object. I will explain you people can concentrate here, guys. What I am going to do in here, first of all, I need to create as a class here. I need to create as a class. That how I am going to creating that class. This is the way we can create normal class, right, guys? Public class what guys ArrayList example. ArrayList example is the class name. And what should I to do? I need to create what guys? I need to create a, here is that what guys? Main method. If we want to run our application, what we have to require guys? Main method. So I'm going to create a public static void main, and what guys? Inside that we need to pass as a parameter, right? String string array args is that what guys? Parameter here, right? So guys, if people can check here, how, yeah, this is the we already know how we can create that main method and how we can create what guys, how we can create that main method and how we can create that class. You people to know already, but there is a concept is there guys. We are going to create in that classes for implementation classes for what guys, list interface. List interface we need to create that classes. How we can create that classes, you people can check here guys. I'm going to creating that array list. This is the way we can create guys. You people can check before creating that array list object, how we can create that what guys, object for our classes. How we can create object for our class.
ArrayList example E equals to new of ArrayList
Excellent,
example.
excellent guys. So this is that example is that reference variable equal to new operator, and we can create that. This is the way we can creating that our class object. Yes or no guys? This is that user defined class. This is that user defined classes guys. ArrayList example is created by that developer or it is already existed guys inside the Java.
Sir, already
Hey,
existed.
this one guys, Yamai created or
No. User defined.
yeah, this is that user defined class. So how we can create that? Yeah, how we can create object is means this is the way we can creating that object. Yes or no guys? But coming to that list interface, there is a array list is that class guys. That array list class is that what developer created class or already existed class guys. User defined class or predefined class, that array list. Array list class is that what guys, existing class means the user defined class or predefined class. Predefined class, that class available inside that implement what guys, implemented from where, list interface. List interface guys, how we can create that class, how we can create that array list object. You people can check here guys. I'm going to creating that array list. I'm going to creating that array list class here guys. ARR equal to new array list guys. This is the way we can create that predefined array list object guys. This is that array list object how we can create. This is the way we can create guys. You people to getting or not, it's how we can create that array list object,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes.
So guys, you people can check. This is the way we can creating that array list object. And guys, when we are going to how we can store that element, guys, there is a when we are going to use creating that array list object. At that moment, that yamai given any what guys, index size here, array size here guys. Am I given any array size here guys? Guys, when you are going to creating, there is a typecast what guys, what generic it will become, but I'm not able to saying to that what is generic. I will explain you later guys. That generic symbol also will become when we are going to creating this array list object. I will show you that. See here guys, see here guys, what I'm going to saying here, I'm going to creating that array list object, and I need to store that element guys. Yeah, might define any array size here guys, no, right? So I need to add that element, I need to add that any kind of element, guys. First of all, what is the difference between list and set? I will explain you guys after completion this classes. Then I will let you know. Right? See here, guys. So you people can check here, guys. I need to add that element. How we can add that element, guys? When I'm going to creating that arrays, at that moment, how we are going to storing that elements, guys? You people to know
Yes, sir.
how we can create that. How we can add that element inside that arrays based on what?
Using add method, sir.
Using
Using array method.
Add method.
where?
Using array method.
Yeah. Array reference variable there.
See, guys, I'm not asking to that ArrayList class. I'm asking to that arrays. How we can add that element inside that arrays?
There is no direct adding, sir, but we have to add
Int
through.
array, sir, int array braces start equals to new int.
Okay, creating is that correct? Element
Sir,
adding
int
base,
array
guys. How we can
braces-
add that element?
Sir, telling how to add,
Yes.
not object. Sir, we can using a plus operator, sir.
Which operator?
Array method, sir.
See here, guys. I'm going to say showing to that int array. Then you people can tell me this is that int array, guys. Okay. So I'm going to give into that
Yes.
reference variable as a number and numbers equal to I'm going to give in that int array I'm going to creating. This is the way we can creating that what, guys, array, right? Yeah,
Yes.
you should be what, guys, concentrate what I'm asking. Creating array or adding that adding that element inside that array, is that different? Creating that array, is that different? Yes or no, guys? First of all, we need to create that arrays,
Yes.
and after that we need to add that element. So I'm going to create that array now, guys. So how we can that add the element inside that arrays?
Sir, int, sorry, array braces 0 equals to 10.
What array?
Like
What is the reference variable here? For that
numbers.
numbers of
Yeah.
index position, it will
Numbers
be stored to based on that index
0.
position, right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Why you are not able to saying? You people are forgetted that also.
No, sir.
See, guys, this is the way we can adding that what element
No.
based on that index position, right? I'm going to adding as a 10 is that element, right? So if we want to
Yes.
add that index position 1, then what, guys, this is that index position equal to I'm going to adding element as a 20, right, guys? This is the way we can add that
Yes.
element inside that arrays or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now coming to that array list, how we can add that element? There is any index position we need to add. There is any predefined method is there, guys?
No, sir.
No.
Inside that array list, there is any predefined method is there, or we need to add that element based on that index position only inside that array list?
Sir, at least there is a predefined method is there, sir.
Excellent, guys. You people can check here, guys. See, when I'm going to using to that arrays concept, there is no predefined method. Arrays not able to support any predefined method, first of all, right? And coming
Yes,
to
sir.
that that is the and coming to that array list, guys, there is a predefined method is there, guys. If we want to add that element or store that element, there is a predefined methods is there. How we can add that element? You people can check here, guys, by using that reference variable of array list. What is that reference variable of that array list, guys? Here
ARR.
arr dot, what is that method name, guys? Array list. Add is that add is that add is that what, guys? Method name here, guys. Add is a method is there, guys. I will show you that practically, guys. You people can remember here. ArrayList ARR equal to new ArrayList. This is the way we can creating that ArrayList object. And if we want to add that element, then there is a predefined method available inside that where, guys, ArrayList interface. That ArrayList interface already, that list interface can contain that almost 10 12 predefined what, guys, methods is there. That method can be utilized to that ArrayList implementation class, guys. I will show you that what methods. I will show that all the methods. I will show you, guys. There is a, if we want to add that element, there is a add method is there, guys. By using that add method we can add that element, right, guys? So now if we want to add that next element, then what is that how we can add, guys? ARR dot add of what, guys, 20. This is that this is the way we can add that element. Like that how many element we can add here, guys? Tell me.
So the number of elements.
N number of element we can add, but am I given any size for that array list here, guys?
No.
No, because of array list is there. Array list means a list is a growable nature is there, guys. There is a inside that collection. There is a growable nature is there. That point you already heard that word or not, guys? Growable nature. Difference between array list and collection. When you are gone through that differences, there is a what, guys? Array is a fixed in size and collection is a growable nature. That word is, you people heard or not, guys? Forget it, you people.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Guys, why you are not able to gone through that what basics? See here, guys, I already given that very clearly that what, guys, difference between what collections and inter arrays, guys. You people can check here. Array is a fixed in size, not growable. Coming to that collection framework, guys, growable in nature means this is that when we are going to defining that size, guys, that how many size we are going to given, that many element it can be stored. But coming to that collection framework, coming to that what, guys, inside that where arrays class, am I given any as array size here, guys, inside that collection? No, right? So that is the reason that collection framework having to that there is a growable in nature, guys. Internally how it is going to growable nature, I will explain you people. You can concentrate here, guys. See here, see here, guys. See, it is that creating of that ArrayList class, ArrayList object, and I'm going to adding that element, guys. So first of all, how it is going to adding that element, you people can concentrate here, guys. I'm going to give in that, I'm going to give in what, adding to that element, one more element I need to add, guys. ARR dot add of what, 30 I need to add, guys. You people can read it. You people already what, guys, array is a array can be store a heterogeneous object, guys. Arrays can be store heterogeneous object.
No, sir.
No, arrays can hold only homogeneous data element. Same type of element it can be stored. But coming to that arrays, guys, collection framework, collection can be stored what kind of data, guys? Homogeneous data it can be stored, and heterogeneous
Both.
data also it can be stored, guys. This is that I'm going to adding as a what, guys, integer number I added here, and I need to add to that what, guys, what string data I need to add. ARR dot add of I'm going to adding what element, what are the data, guys, here I need to add Srinu. Srinu is that Srinu is that what, guys? Srinu is that
String.
different data. Yeah, string data. This is that integer data. Means we can call as a, this is a heterogeneous object, guys. Heterogeneous element.
Yes.
that capability having inside that collection framework only. It is not able to having inside that arrays, guys. Okay. So this is the when
Yes,
I'm going
sir.
to adding that element. When I'm going to adding that element, guys, you people can check here. You people can check. So here is that how it is going to storing that element, guys. Storing that element. Coming to that arrays, guys. Coming to that first of all arrays. When I'm going to give in that what array size at that moment, what is the size of that array here, guys? What
Sir,
is the size of that arrays?
5.
5. Then that there is a continuous memory will be created like this, guys, arrays. There is a continuous memory will be created like this only, right? This is that memory for this arrays, guys. But when I am going to using to that ArrayList object, first of all, what, guys, there is a default capacity is there, guys, for that what ArrayList, and there is a load factor, we can call as a load factor is there, default capacity is there, come into that where inside that collection framework. So guys, how it is going to storing that element is nothing but internally that ArrayList can be follow to that what, guys, arrays concept only. Internally there is a data structure concept is there, guys.
Yes, sir.
Internally that ArrayList following to that data structure concept, that is arrays. How it is going to follow into that arrays, guys, you people can check how it is going to storing that element and how it is going to increase that our what, guys, array size here. You people can check here, guys. So you people can check when I'm going to add into that first element, at that moment it will be created like that. This is that one element, first element, it is having to that only one, right, guys? So second onwards it will be created second element, guys. This is the it will be created like this. So there is a default capacity is there, guys. What is the default capacity of that ArrayList is there, guys? What is the
16, sir.
16? 16 default
who is the-
capacity?
Default capacity 0, sir.
0. There is a default capacity is there, guys. That also I will cover you each and everything, right? All the what some implementation class having to the default capacity, I will explain you that part also, no need to worry. So guys, it will be when I'm going to adding that element, based on that it will be what, guys, creating that creating what, guys, arrays like this only internally, right? And there is a default
Default capacity is 10, sir.
yeah, that ArrayList default capacity is how much, guys? 10. Means
10, sir.
it is going to created what is the size, what is the size it will be created, guys, like this. This is the what, guys, internal. When you people are creating that ArrayList object, when you people creating that ArrayList object, that default capacity is nothing but the size of that ArrayList, it will be created like this, guys. It will be created 10 size of that arrays, what, guys, memory will be created like this, guys, right? You people can check here, guys. This is that internally creating that what, guys, memory for that what ArrayList object, right? See here, guys, what is the memory size here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Means it will be created one more object, guys, one more memory. Right, guys. So this is the default capacity for what, guys? ArrayList. How many memory it is going to created, guys, for that ArrayList?
10.
10. Guys, you people can check here, guys. Inside that arrays, we are going to define that defining that array size, and it will be created internally like this only. And come into that what, guys? ArrayList collection framework. There is a default capacity is there, guys. What is the default capacity is there? 10. Guys, when we are going to adding that element like this, first element I'm adding what, guys, here? What is that first element here? I'm adding that 10 element, right guys?
Ten, sir.
Yeah, it
Yes.
will be stored into that where inside that first. This is also storing based on that index position only, guys.
Zero position.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah, it also storing data based on that index position only, right? That is the reason that internally array list falling to that arrays only, guys. There is a data collect what guys, data structure concept is there. You people heard that word or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so
Sure.
that inside that arrays, inside that array list, there is a data structure concept. It will become that is arrays, right? So, and yeah, it is going to store in that element. What guys? This is what is the element? It is going to storing 10 element. It will become here, and next element what guys? 20 element will be stored here, and what is that next element, guys? 30
30.
element will be stored inside that index position 2, guys. Like this, it is going to storing that element inside that collection array list collections, guys, right? So okay, no problem. There is a default capacity is that like what guys, this is that index position as a 5, and this is that 6, 7 and 8, 9. Yes or no, guys? So
Yes, sir.
nine index position it will become for that array list, guys, and what it will be happened internally. Okay, no problem. There is only 10 value it will be store. Guys, my requirement is that 15 object I need to store, guys. What happened at that moment? There is a concept is there, guys. That is that load factor. You people heard that word or not, guys? What is load factor?
Yes, sir. We are.
You people heard that, right? So that load factor is nothing but when load factor is nothing but what is that initial capacity load factor initial load factor is nothing but there is a 0.75, guys. Initial capacity load factor means 0.75. 0.75 is nothing but, guys, this is that 100%. First of all, this is that memory size is that 100%. When this memory fill out to that 75%, guys, when this memory is fill out to the 75%, at that moment that array list object internally it will be created what, guys? One more new object. When it is going to fill out to that 75%, at that moment internally that array list object will be created as a new object, guys. This is the nature available inside that collection framework only, right? And you people can store that array list can be stored to that heterogeneous object. What is my next element, guys? String is that string element. It can be storing based on that what, guys? There is a index position 3. That string will be added internally. Like that, how many elements you should be add? That this is that internal flow it will be followed, guys. It is we can call as a continuous memory location, guys. We can call as a continuous memory array list following to that arrays data structure, and it will be created internally what, guys? Continuous memory structure it will be followed when I am going to adding to that element like this. And when that memory means that initial capacity is that 10, when it is going to fill out to that 75%, automatically there is a growable nature, guys. That word no need to forget, you guys, that when it is going to reaching out to that 75%, automatically there is a internal it will be created new object, and that new object it will be created that all the elements should be come into that word, guys, new object, right? Like that it will be created, guys, internally. Like that it will be created. That is the reason we already completed that part what, guys? Array can hold only homogeneous data, and that collection can hold homogeneous as well as what, guys? Heterogeneous data.
Heterogeneous.
Right, guys? And you people can check
Yes.
here. Arrays is a fixed in size, and collection is a growable in nature, guys, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So like this it is happened internally. You people getting clearly or not, guys? Please let me know. I'm not able to teach. I'm not able to teach every classes, guys, like this. This is that first implementation.
Sir, actually,
Yeah.
sir, ArrayList store like 10 values. So how it is globally?
Sorry.
Sir, ArrayList store only 10 values. So how it is
Yeah,
globally?
that is the reason I said you guys. There is a load factor concept is there. I said you right. Load factor is
Sir,
not.
every 75% completed, then it will create another object.
Yes. Yes. Internally it will be happen, guys. Guys, that you people can check here, guys. You people can check. This is that how it is going to create it, guys. This is that my array, our classes, right, guys? When I'm going to creating that object at that moment, it like this, that object will be created. I already shown to you people. Yes or no, guys? For this our created object, like this object will be created, and this object will be holding to that reference variable. What, guys? Example. If people remember or forget, guys, it.
No, sir, remember.
Yeah. Now come into that come into that array list, guys. There is also it will be creating to that one object like this, and inside that array list object it will be created what, guys? There is a continuous memory location for that. What is that default capacity for that array list, guys? First of all, 10 is that default
10.
capacity. So it will be divided into that 10 part it as a memory structure inside that array list, and it will be stored that data, guys. So that index position start from what, guys? Index position also follow to
0.
that 0 only. And what, guys?
Yes.
When it is going to, there is a load factor concept, it will become inside that collection framework. That is the reason when my array list collection is completed as a 75%, then internally it will be created one more object. Guys, you people are getting or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So it will be happened internally like this only for that what? Array list.
ArrayList. Yes.
Guys, clear or not?
Yes, sir, clear.
Yeah. See here, guys. So this is the way we can add that element inside that collection. Can we go through that one POCs, guys, for this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we can go. And before implementations, our practical, guys, you people can check what is the difference between, first of all, list interface and set interface, guys. What is the difference between list interface and set interface? You people can check here, guys. There is a difference also is there. Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Tomorrow that what, guys? That this part will be come. Why should go to that? What is the difference between array list and set interface? Why should go to that when we go to that list? When we should go for to that set interface? That is the concept. It will become, right, guys? This is the theoretical. You people can remember here, guys. See here. I'm going to explain into that what, guys? Difference between that list interface and set interface, guys. See here, list interface is a implementation interface from where, guys?
Collection.
Collection, guys. You people can what? Point that points. What, guys? List out that points here. This is that one point. List interface implement extend from where? Collection framework. Sorry, collection interface, right, guys? And you people can tell me, guys, coming to that set interface implemented from where, extend from where, guys?
Collection.
Collection. This is that first point, right, guys? So next one is that what, guys? List can be storing to that duplicate data. List interface can be stored to that duplicate data.
Yes,
If we want to store the data as a duplicate, then go for which interface, guys? List interface or set interface?
List
Set
interface.
List interface.
List
But
interface.
yeah, coming to that set, guys, I don't want to store duplicate element at that moment. Which interface I need to follow, guys?
Set interface.
Yeah,
Set interface.
set interface is not able to storing. If we want to avoid to that duplicate data, then we can go for what, guys? Set interface implementation classes, guys. This is that set implementation classes, right? If we want to
Yes, sir.
store that data duplicate, then we can go for that list implementation classes, guys. It can be stored that the duplicate element, but that set is not able to store that duplicate, guys.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
So you people can remember this 2 point, guys. Then we can go what, guys? There is a almost 5 to 6 point. It will become. But when I go to that concept at that moment, that different also I will cover you guys. Right? I'm not able
Yes,
to
sir.
cover everything in at a time, because of when I'm going to implement at that moment, I will show you with practical, guys. I'm not able to say with theoretical only. I will show you practically also. At that moment, you people can get that knowledge.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me, guys, what is the difference between list and set? Can you tell me? I said, yeah, I said you 2 points here.
So list is implement from collection and set also implement from collection.
Yes.
List have list store duplicate records and set doesn't store duplicate records.
Yeah, means you people can tell here, you people can say, guys, list can be stored that homogeneous and heterogeneous. And come into that set, guys. Come into that set, it can be stored what, guys? Which type of data it can be stored? Heterogeneous data it can be stored.
Homogeneous again.
Heterogeneous also it will be stored, guys. But duplicate not able to store.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
So guys, that part we can discuss already. Guys, we will go to that one POCs, guys. Then you people can get, right, guys.
Yes, sir.
Coming to that.
Sir, I think one more point is left, I think, sir. Fixation of data order is maintained, sir.
Guys, I'm not able. That is the reason I said you guys. I will come that all the part at a time. I'm not able to explain it to you. That one by one
Okay.
I will come to. That is the already I mentioned that word, guys.
Okay.
We will cover all those things, guys. This is that very very important. You people can really, guys, if you are good into that data types and what, guys, arrays, then this is the concept is that very simple. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, otherwise it will be difficult. What is your Java? That is like Java. This is the view side. We are not started, right, guys? This is that new only. So need to create to that what package here, com dot soft dot I'm going to creating what, guys, collection. I'm going to create a package here, guys, and inside that package I'm going to creating what, guys, list array list example. See here, guys, inside that class I'm going to creating one main method, and inside that main method, guys, how we can create that list array list object. You people can check here, guys, that arr array list arr equal to new array list. See here, guys, this is that array list class available in which package, guys? Java.util.arraylist. This is that package. This class is available. This is the class is available in which package, guys? Java.util.arraylist is that package is there, guys. Now tell me, guys, our array list example class available in which package, guys?
Java.utility.arraylist.
You people are not concentrate what I'm asking. ArrayList example class available in which package? ArrayList example.
So package collection form.shop.collection.
Excellent. Guys, you should be what I'm going to asking, you should be understand first of all. Okay? And
Yes, sir.
see, this is that created developer created class. This is that what guys? Predefined class. That predefined, see guys, inside that packages, what it will be happen? That packages can contain that classes, interfaces, and methods only. Right, guys? So that is the reason arrays that array list example class available inside that com.soft.collection is that package we created. Inside that this class is available, but this class also should be belongs to that some packages, guys. Every predefined classes should be belongs to some packages. Then that array list class is available which package, guys? Now
Java.utility.arraylist.
java.util.arraylist. Guys, no need to forget. They will ask this kind of questions also. ArrayList class available in which package? Right? You should be remember it.
Yes, sir.
See, guys, this is that ArrayList object I created. How we can add that element, guys? ARR dot. There is a predefined method is there, guys. What are the predefined method? Add is that predefined method. Right, guys?
Yes.
And see
Yes,
here,
sir.
guys, that every method having to that return type also or not.
Yes, sir.
What is the return type for that add method?
Boolean.
Excellent, guys. There is a return type for that add method is that boolean. Right? So I'm going to adding to that element as a 10 here. This is the way we can add in that element. Yes or no, guys? ARR dot add. There is a
Yes, sir.
predefined method. Add is that predefined method available into that collection list implementation class. I'm going to adding to that word, guys, 3 element for that word. 20 and 30. This is that element, guys. So guys, this is that array list can be stored that homogeneous or heterogeneous. You people can check. I'm going to printing this element, guys. How we can print system dot out dot println of ARR. This is the way we can add, or any others way, guys? We can print this is the way or any others way. See here, guys. See here. When I'm going to printing this data, what is the symbol it's, guys? This is the symbol. You can tell me what is that symbol it's?
Square basis.
Means
Square basis.
where you people see this?
Sir, in array.
Excellent, guys. This is that array symbol. Guys, getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So guys, this is that what? First of all, I'm going to adding to that element as a 10. This is that integer data I need to add. But I need to store what, guys? That array list, that list interface can be stored that duplicate. That part already completed. List interface can be, if we want to store that list duplicate element, then which interface we need to go for, guys?
Sir, set interface.
Which interface? If I want to add that duplicate element, which interface I need to go?
List interface.
Yeah, list is that interface is there. There is a some implementation class is there. That is that first I'm going to word, guys, array list. So I need to add that word, guys. I need to add that there is a duplicate element. I need to add already 10. That element is there. I need to add word, guys, 10. But you people can print. You people can print here, guys. That 10 also 2 times it will be print or not. Duplicate allowed or not. You people can check here, guys. Duplicate allowed or not, guys, here.
Allowed.
Yeah, this is the part what we are going to one by one we will cover, guys. So this is the two things is completed, guys. And one more point we covered, that is that collection can be stored homogeneous object or heterogeneous object, guys.
Sir, heterogeneous.
Heterogeneous object, no need to confuse. This is that string data I'm going to storing here, right guys? See, you people can check here guys. You people can check. This is that integer as well as string data also it is going to storing guys. Yes or no guys?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to store into that what? One more string data guys. It will be stored. You people can check guys. You can print it. Right guys. So I'm going to storing one more duplicate element for that string data also. It is possible or not guys? There is no restriction. It will be print. It will be add. Duplicate allowed here. Guys, getting or not? Internally how it is happened that memories you people get clear or not guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So guys, this is the first example. So you that is the reason I took that much time for this guys. So you people can practice. There is a multiple methods is there guys. What are the methods inside that collection framework? I will show you. You people can check here guys. What? Yeah, this is that collection methods guys. Coming, this is that collection method. There is a almost how many methods is there guys? 12 methods is there. But we completed which method now guys?
Add method.
Add method only. There is a add all method, remove all method, return method, clear method, is empty, size equals to arrays and contains object and collection. There is a 12 methods is there guys inside that collection. Collection is that what guys? Interface or not? Guys, this method available, not only list guys. We people get what? Where is that hierarchy? If people come into that hierarchy part guys, that 12 method available, this collection interface guys. This collection interface can contain the 12 method. That 12 method can be used to that list the interface. All the implementation class can be applicable or not guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, coming to that, set interface. That set interface also can use to that all the all the predefined method from that collections are not guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Getting or not that part?
Yes.
Yeah, this is the 12 method you people can use all the implementation classes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, guys, you people can check with that all the methods guys. You people can go and you people can practice. This is that methods.
Yes, sir.
You people can read this description also I given here. What is the purpose of add method? What is the purpose of add all method? What is the purpose of remove method? Guys, can you people go through these methods and practice it for first example?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then guys, I already covered this all those things guys. That list interface, child interface of collection, and insertion order preserve. That yeah, this part we will cover guys tomorrow. Then that what guys, already duplicate element are allowed. That part also completed. We will go through that one by one guys. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay guys, you people can practice it, and if you have that any questions, then you people can ask to me tomorrow.
Yes,
Sir, I
sir.
have a small doubt, sir.
Yeah, go ahead guys.
Sir, inside the collection, the array list, there is an add method, sir.
Yes.
And in array, sir, there is a add. There is no method of add rate, sir. Inside array, sir.
Inside the array, there is
But
no
we can
method.
add- Yes, sir. In array, there is no add method.
Yes.
Then how we can add in array, sir?
Yeah, it is based on that index position. It will be add. We are going to
So
give
for
that.
example,
Yeah. See here. See here, guys. I'm going to creating that int array. Int array numbers. I'm going to give in that word, guys. Numbers equal to new int of. This is that array, right? So I'm going to give in that array size here, guys. How it is going to added? So guys, first of all that array list implementation came from where, guys? Arrays only,
Yes, sir.
right? So how it, first of all, you people to know how it is going to added that element inside that arrays. So that arrays, inside that arrays, it will be stored based on that index position, right? That arrays can be stored the element based on that index position. But see, this is that index position, right, guys? We are going to given that size. We are sorry, index position. We are going to letting to know to that arrays. But coming to that coming to that array list, we are not able to letting to that index, what, guys? Index position, right? But internally that add method, it will be followed these things, guys. That add method, it will be followed these things only internally. That is the reason I'm saying that continuous memory location, how it is going to create it, how it is going to add in that element, right, guys? That internally it will be followed to that arrays only.
Sir, if we give file declaration file size, sir.
Yes.
That array, sir.
Yes.
We insert a file element in a position, sir.
Yes.
That index position.
Yes.
0, 1, 2, 3,
Yes.
4.
Yes.
So if I insert one more value, there is not possible to add, sir.
Excellent.
Right, sir?
Yes. Yes.
Then in ArrayList we are using add method. There is a predefined method. We are
Yes.
using add
Yes.
method.
Yes.
There is any method in array in array there is a predefined method is not there. But how we can add?
Yeah, that is the reason I said you guys. Internally there is a default capacity and there is a load factor is there. I said you, right, that word. So when
Yes,
that array size, there is a default capacity of that array is, there is a default capacity already designed by the data structure, guys, internally. How many
Yes,
by
sir.
default, how many memories we need to create, how many data it will be created, already designed. That is that what, guys? 10, right? So what, guys? Coming to that arrays, there is a size we are given, but when reaching to that 75% is say that array list, then there is a what, guys? Again it will be created what, 0.75 into some calculation, it will be happen, guys. When it is going to reaching outside that array list, it will be calculated and it will be grow, guys. It will be created one more object based on that 0.75 into, there is a formula is there, guys. Based on that formula, it will be increased internally. That capability having inside that where, in collections only. Come into that arrays, it's not, doesn't have to that part, guys. Right?
Yes, but
Yeah, any more questions, guys?